Dear students, today I will be discussing with you how to prepare for civil service examination. It is one of the highest exams in India. First of all, we will discuss about its age criteria. In between 21 to 32 years in general category, one can appear 6 times. And your qualification should be minimum graduation in any stream. Then comes its total criteria. Civil services exam consists of 2025 marks, maximum marks. Out of it, prelims 400, main 1750 and interview is 275 marks. The first stage, preliminary, which is popularly known as PT exam. It is objective type and you have to mark your answers on the OMR sheet. GS consists of 200 marks and CSAT also consists of 200 marks. But since couple of years, CSAT marks are just the qualifying marks and they are not included in the merit. Merit is from your general study paper. Out of 200, you have to come in the merit. If you pass through in that, then you are to appear in the mains exam, which is a descriptive type exam. First paper is of essay, which is of 250 marks. Then paper 2, paper 3, paper 4 and paper 5, they are of general studies. General study 1 consists of Indian heritage and culture and history and geography of the world. 250 marks. Paper 2 of general study is governance, constitution, polity, justice and international relations. Paper 3 is of science and technology, economic development, biodiversity, environment, security, disaster and management, also of 250 marks. Paper 4 is of ethics, integrity and aptitude, also of 250 marks. Then paper 5 and paper 6, they are of optional 1 and optional 2. You have to choose one subject out of the list given by the UPSC. Any optional subject you can choose and it consists of 2 papers. Then paper 7 and paper 8, it's of languages. One is of English, another is of any language which is included in the 8th schedule of the Indian Constitution. You are to just secure 25% marks in this. It is qualifying. Its marks are not included in the main merit. Then lastly is the personality test. Personality test consists of 275 marks. Personality test which is also called interview. It is held in the UPSC in Delhi. Rest of the exams, preliminary as well as mains, they are conducted in the various parts of the country. This last stage, personality test, is another very, very important. The maximum marks which are of this civil services, they are 2025. Out of it, now we have to see the general study part. In preliminary, it is at 200 marks. Then your even essays also of general studies. Then 4 papers of 1000. Then 275 marks of interview, that is also general studies. Total you have to prepare 1725 marks general studies. So general study plays very important role in this, which includes pre, main as well as interview. You have to be very much thorough for the general study paper. Very, very important. And for personality test, you have to appear before the interview board in UPSC. And out of these 1725 marks, if one scores 1200 or 1300, then he can be in the first 50. So this is a criteria of the UPSC civil services exams. Thank you very much.